Fellow Nigerians all over the world, I salute you all wherever you are hearing the sound of my voice. It's me, your brother, Sir Wetson Henry Chukwudi, the President of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. I want to use this opportunity to invite you all to be part of this initiative. This initiative was created to unite the Nigerian people together so that we can form a formidable voice of the masses, where the masses will be strong enough to place the mind on our government. Our government is not listening to us because we are not well coordinated. Our government is not listening to us because they know that we are divided. Our strength is small. Our government is not returning the people's right. Like in other countries, power belongs to the people. But in Nigeria, power belongs to our government. Our government is made to serve us. But today, we are getting the opposite of it. And our government don't want to change. They don't want to do anything about it. They don't want to give listening ear to the masses because they know the masses are weak. And that is the area Muhammad Buhari said, Nigerian youths are weak. Some of us get angry and say, why should he say so? But truly, we are weak. We are not united. We are not united in purpose. We are not united to achieve a common goal. We are divided with ethnicity. We are divided with tribalisms. We are divided with religions. Our strength becomes so few. We brainwashed ourselves with lies. We place all faults to the government and we don't want to take our own responsibility. The government knows that we are weak and confused. But the time has come that we need to come together. We need to unite. If we unite, our government will be small. If we stay strong, our government will become weak. The time has come. Let us unite. If you would like to join us on this unity call, join us on our WhatsApp, where you can see a lot of Nigerians are discussing, they are sharing their mind. You can lend your voice as well. We are gathering ourselves to find a lasting solution to our problem. If you are interested, join us with this number right away. Plus 601 82 822 884. Again, plus 601 82 822 884. Join us as we unite and build a formidable masses voice. Enough is enough. Enough is enough will only work if we can unite. So let us stay united and work towards a better Nigeria through better government. We can achieve a better government if we unite. God bless you all. I want to use this opportunity to address some issues that is going on in Nigeria. During this period of time, stay at home, stay at home, stay at home. Save your life, stay at home. I want to thank Nigerians who have cooperated. They have stayed at home to save their life. They have obeyed the law. But some are crying for some certain helps. Our government should listen to the voice of the people and give attention to this area of hunger. Hunger is one weapon that can make people disobey government. Hunger is one weapon to destabilize people. Hunger is a strong tool to kill any man, to make man weak and frustrated. So government should listen to the voice of the people. And I want to say to those people who donated 1 billion, 50 million, 200 million, 100 million, 10 million, 1 million. I want to say this to you all. You have given it to the government. The government have told you, thank you. The masses is still waiting for you. Because you never give anything to the masses. The masses are still waiting for you. Let me share this with pidgin English so that I go reach house well. My brothers and sisters, fellow Nigerians, make we tell ourselves the truth. Anybody wey don reach 30 years, wey say no know how our government be, that person a liar. These people wey donate 1 billion, they wan tell me say they don't know how our government system be. They know, but I know why they do am. Some of them, their hand no clean. Some of them, na opportunity for them to return some money to government so that they go play paddy. Now they do. Now they do so. May they no use EFCC, they pursue them. Now listen to me and listen carefully. Those of una wey give 1 billion, 200 million, 50 million, 100 million, 1 million. Those of una wey give am to government. Una family say make I tell una say, they no know say you get that kind of money wey free. They no know say you get that kind of money wey no dey do anything for your house and you no tell them since. They say make I pray for you. Now I say with all my heart, I say God Almighty, God wey dey for heaven, God wey create heaven and earth, God wey make man, make woman, God wey give us life to see today, God wey create all things, say power dey in hand. I say may that God punish you. May God fire all of una. Thunder fire you there. You give money. You give money to who? To help the coronavirus, abi to help our government. That money, half, they no use am. They no use half for the purpose where that money take come. How many billion put together where government don't receive? With what we they see, with what our eye they see. After all, we know how much be canopy. We know how much be a small block where they put for grant. How much they don't spend for that money? Leave government money out of this. How much be that money where they don't put together? Yet, now one claim say una don't give to Nigerian people. Una don't give back to society. Now government una help. Make I tell una truth. Those who give 1 billion, una God go punish pass. You get 1 billion. Now listen to me. Listen carefully. 1 million into 100 into 10 places. Now make up 1 billion. Money too much. Child. The money too much. Now you carry. Give government. Government sit down put. 1 billion. If you put am for any community, you go change the community. Any community where 1 billion enter, they go see what they take and they do. Let's take for instance. Do you know say with 1 billion you can build a mini estate? If you build mini estate where you get up to 50 flats, say make poor people enter. People no go see what you do. May God punish you after you say give to the poor. You don't give to the poor, you give to government. You dey hear me so? So you get that kind of money where they're free. Money where no they do anything. You no tell us. Thunder go fire you. You just carry like that, go give government. And you want make the poor people come clap for you because I don't say government no go clap for you. Because now be paddy. Government no go clap for you. Now poor people supposed to praise you. But I tell say they don't praise you. You know do I'm right. Those people where they treat for coronavirus, where they hungry, wanna help them. Those people where coronavirus the key today, don't be poor people. How many big men don't die for Nigeria for this coronavirus? How many big men Pekin don't die for this coronavirus? Now poor people Pekin and they die. And now big men, now this coronavirus they start to they go to keep poor people because now there they get power. Yeah? We no go tell ourselves truth. After all, the people will say, "When I help Nigeria, thunder fire you there." Now no help anybody. And for those of una way they do say, God don't bless una. Your friend do birthday, you go there spray 100,000. Your friend do burial, you go spread the 100,000. Your friend do just a girlfriend birthday, you go there spray 100,000. Thunder go fire you. Now God will punish you. Community where you from come outside get water. Your mama for village now try cheese they kill am. Your papa no they stand, all body they shake. No better food. You dey for city they throw 100 million. 100,000. You dey burst champagne, na thunder go fire you. You see, sometimes Nigeria, we no dey tell each other the truth. We and our government will be the same. I don check well for many communities. Every community where you enter, God don raise at least one millionaire for every community. If those community millionaire go back to their community with 100,000, put borehole for their community, na bad thing. Take 1 million, put better borehole, build a standard, na bad thing. E no go join for the development of the country. We and our government na the same thing. That is the reason sometimes we go say our president die, our governor die, our leaders die, bad leaders die. God go dey look at us like this because we be part of those bad leaders. We dey contribute to those bad leaders. The place where God make you leader, wetin you dey do? Eh? May God punish you. Thunder, fire all of una. You dey spray money, they clap for you. Hey, alaye, you dey show shoulder. Eh? Ikukwa manoya. Ozu igbo ndo. Oputo obie. Chukwu kpokwa go kwa ebe. God punish you. God punish you. Make una take time, oh. Bad people. Good citizens of Nigeria, I want to use this opportunity to beg all of una. This situation right now, hunger day. And they use this opportunity, they call the attention of all Nigerians. Make we cooperate, make we unite. Hunger day time. If God don't bless you, look your left, look your right. You go see somebody where they there, where they hungry. Give them food. Give them food. No wait, may they come beg you. No wait, may they come beg you. If they come beg you, thank you, no good day. God no go bless you. Use your mind, the way God creates, that one way God give you. Use that God mind. Go visit that poor person. Give them food. Imagine if all Nigeria, Tanzania, all Nigeria millionaire, all Nigeria billionaire start to share food up and down. Hunger no go. Hunger go. We just want to make government do everything. Government do this one. Government do that one. Government do this. That money will dey your pocket. Wait till you keep am for. Wait till you keep am for. God bless people at this kind of time. And they use this opportunity to beg Nigerian people. Anywhere where you dey, they hear the sound of my voice. Think for your mind, who you go give food today? Who you go give food tomorrow? Make we dey share love. Those food where they say government they share, e no dey go anywhere. Believe me, e no dey reach anywhere. They not even dey share them to the right people. I dey beg una. I dey beg una. Some people dey for government where they say they go share food. They use name and address. They share one bag of rice, give some people. To some people they go cook jollof rice, no meat inside. Can I give? Wetin that one won't do for person for one day? Eh? I use God beg una. Everybody wake up from your slumber. Make we dey share food. How many way you fit share? You know me say you go share for the whole country. You fit share for one person. Make we share food together. Make we show love to one another. And God go bless us. Anywhere where you did hear my voice, now beg and they beg. Share love. Do and direct. God go bless you. No carry that food, go give government to. They no go share am well. Government knows I be share. Leave am. Our government never matured for that one. Just leave that one. Share am by yourself. You go see poor people for road. Share am. If you don't get time, carry that thing where you won't give. Come give us United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. If you never join us on our platform, call this number. We go direct you on how you go take share the food. My brother, reach us with this number. Plus 601 82 822 884. Join us. Make we reach out to the Nigerians where they in need. Those Nigerians where really they in need, government know they see them. Now, truth I they tell you, I beg. And for our government, I they use this opportunity to tell una. If una continue to play politics with this coronavirus, it go dey for una lineage. Papa go get coronavirus. If he don't die, pikin go carry am. Now go dey kill una government. Coronavirus no go come for una family. Una own no go spread. No una family go dey. It go dey una lineage. Na inheritance it go be for now. This don't be time to play politics at all. The country is bad. Things are going wrong. Let us unite and God go bless us. And they use this opportunity, they beg all Nigerians, say, we all go fit make Nigeria a better place. We go fit make Nigeria home. God don't bless a lot of people. A lot of people. God don't bless people for this country, Nigeria. Everybody, bring what you get with your heart. My brother, share love. Nobody they carry this money go heaven. Share love. Join us today on our platform. Make we unite. Make we do things correct. Make we do things in the way it go please God. Let us unite and form this masses voice, where the masses will have authority, where the masses can come together in one purpose, in one voice, say this is what we need. Government go here. And they use beg, they beg everybody, say join us. Join us on this platform. I will stop for here for today. Hopefully, we will continue another day. And for those of una wey don't give money to government, I beg, the masses still they wait for now. Make una do them again. Make una they do them. Una community they wait for now. Do something. God will bless all of una. Nigerians, we sabi. I greet everybody. Make una stay tight. Anywhere where you dey, stay indoor for safety. God will bless us and save us at this period of time. The time they critical, but our God pass am. Make we stay strong. God will see us through. My name still remains Sir Wedson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. I love you all, and I say, join us on this unity call. God bless you.